स्वागत. सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
Hello dear students, I am Shashikant Madhukar Patil, working as an assistant teacher in K. Banthia Madhyamik Vidyalaya, New Panvel. Today we are going to learn an important and motivational lesson, Be Smart. It tells us the importance of smart goals. Setting smart goals, we can achieve success in our life. But before we start this lesson, we are going to chit chat on the given activities. Let's start with chit chat. Planning your career is not an easy task. Students, planning your career is difficult task, but we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. The following diagram shows important factors to be considered while choosing a career. Discuss with a group which factors you regard as important. Students, do the given factors affect your career? The answer is yes. First factor is skill. Skill is very important thing while choosing a career. You have to have some skills. Second one is interest. If you have no interest in the given work or assigned work, you will not succeed. So, interest is the most important thing while choosing our career. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. Third factor is abilities. What abilities are needed or required while choosing career? You should know your abilities for choosing career. Fourth factor is personality traits. While choosing any career, you should know your features of personality. According to your personality traits, you should choose a career. Factor is demand. While choosing any career, you should know, is it demanded in the world? Sixth factor is financial gains. It is another important factor. If we earn money or not from this career, to live good life, you need money. Seventh factor is family profession. If you have well settled family profession and you choose it as career, there is definite and good chance to succeed in your career. Eighth factor is future prospects. What are the future prospects for your career? You should know them very well. So students, these career factors are affected to your career. So while choosing your career, you should be considered them very well. Students, now we are going to learn how to prepare an acrostic. An acrostic is a form of writing where the first letters in each of the lines forms another word. For example, friend. F for faithful, R for respectable, I for inspiring,
E
N
for
for
encouraging.
noble, D for dependable. In this way, we can prepare acrostic. Now I am going to give you another example. Sonal. S for sensitive, O for outstanding, N for naughty, A for ambitious, L for loving. Students, in this way you can prepare many your own acrostics for your dearest family members, name of your best friends, a quality of feeling, or any profession. Students, now we are going to start our third activity. Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as a noun or verb or adjective. First sentence: I walk to school every day. In this sentence, a word walk is used as a verb. Second sentence, I go for a walk every day. In this sentence, a word walk is used as a noun. Third sentence, they gave me a gift every day. In this sentence, a word gift is used as a noun. Fourth sentence, you can gift her a story books. In this sentence, a word gift is used as verb. Fifth sentence, it was sold as a gift pack. In this sentence, a word gift is used as adjective. Sixth sentence, they bought a new house on 10th Street. Here, a word new is used as an adjective. Seventh sentence, the water tanks leak a lot. Here, a word leak is used as a verb. Eighth sentence, the old age home houses 100 aging and homeless people. Here in this sentence, houses word is used as a verb. Now we are going to start our lesson Be Smart. The given lesson tells us the process to achieve a goal and become successful in our life. Let's start the lesson. Be smart. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them: a desire, a dream, a vision. Students, the champions or winners are not only made in gyms, they have a desire, a dream, and a vision to become a champion. They have to have the skill and will, but the will must be stronger than skill. Also, they have another important things, skill and will, but the will must be stronger than skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Thrive means prosper. In the same manner, successful persons succeeded in their field. For example, Sachin Tendulkar in cricket and Usain Bolt in athletics. We all have natural talents. If we use that talents to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. Students, every person has natural talents, and if we use it while establishing our goal, we will succeed easily. We shall not achieve our goal if we do not take action to achieve them. If we do not take an action, we do not achieve our goal properly. So, action is most important things to become successful person. Setting goals has two valuable assets, a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Originality means of being original. Illuminate means enlighten or to give light to. There are two important assets or things while setting our goals. They are a sense of originality and a stepping stone to enlighten the path or road. Goals put one at the helm of life. Pursuing them acknowledges a better future situation. At the helm of, it is phrase. At the helm of means in charge of. Any person can put in charge of life because of goals, and he or she can get a bright future after pursuing them. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. Steer means channelize, to direct the course. Our goal helps us to channelize our life on the right direction rather than drifting along. Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it quite challenging. Setting goals may seem very easy, but for some people it is very difficult. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goal. If we have no goals in life, we can avoid fear of failure. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. But in the end, every person has to decide what he or she wants to achieve. To accomplish goals, experts recommend a 5-step approach. Recommend means suggest or to advise. Experts suggest 5 steps to achieve goals. SMART goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. Methodology means science of method. SMART goals means a science of method of thinking, and it helps people to reach success or to achieve great things. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. SMART goals have a special rubric. Rubric means a guideline or a headline. SMART goals have a specific guidelines or heading. Let's see. First step, specific, involves identifying a specific area for improvement. While achieving or setting goals, we should decide a specific area. So, specific area is necessary or must to reach our goal properly. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. You can achieve your goal if your specific area is exact. So, it is helpful to set parameters and work towards your goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? Here, an example is given of building a house. While building a house, one should know what is capacity required and how long period it will take to build or complete. Second, measurable. Quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. Quantifying means measuring the quantity of. Students, quantifying goals help specific ways to find out progress against goal. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. Benchmark means standard by which something can be measured or judged. So, measurable goals makes it easy to judge performance and improvement throughout the goal period. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Here, an example is given of football players. They have given their exact role and position while playing football match. It is very necessary to play football match properly. Third, achievable. Setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. Designated means appointed or decided. One should decide an achievable goals that can be completed in the particular period. Often, these goals may act like stepping stones to help meet broader goals that further define a career. These goals help us to act like stepping stones and to help us to meet broader goals. It decides our future career. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. Here example is given of students. Students can't become a president or a prime minister because now they are students, but they hope or dream to reach there in future. Fourth, realistic. It is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Your goals should be realistic. It is very important to set or decide a goal according to one's skill and capacity. Building expertise takes time, so expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. Unrealistic means impractical. To be a master in anything or field, it takes lots of time period. So, expecting master in any field or line in short period is impractical. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. If goals are realistic, it is very easy to be successful at achieving goals. It is easily possible to achieve goals if they are realistic. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lack realism. Defensive means done for defense. Defensive and not aggressive goals are impractical. They have lack of realism. We must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adhere to that picture. Adhere means bind or to closely follow. If we want to achieve our goal, we must have to clear picture of goal in mind and must have ability to bind or hold that picture or goal. Fifth, time bound. Establish time parameters around each goal as it will help increase focus and accountability. Accountability means responsibility. To achieve goals properly, we should set or decide time parameters around each goals. It will help to increase focus or concentration and responsibility. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. Here example is given of reducing weight. We all know very well how to go to reduce our weight. But without consistent time-bound actions, it never becomes a reality. If we do not do constant or steady time-bound actions, we cannot reduce our weight. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. This action may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt, or indifference, but within a deadline. All these things we should follow and implement within a deadline without any hesitation, doubt, or indifference. In this way, we can reduce our weight. So, our goals should be time bound. These are the 5 steps or qualities of SMART. Visions, wishes, intentions, and dreams are all valuable. Students, at last we can say to achieve our goals, we should have visions, wishes, intentions, and dreams. They are all valuable things in our life. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. These all things awake our imagination and encourage us to decide where we want to reach. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute and strategies. Down to earth means real or practical. To execute means to carry out. Strategies means plans of actions. To reach there or to achieve our goal, we should bring life images into practical or real, and we should plan to carry out our actions. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. To achieve goals, we put forth our quality and quantity of energy directly impact the result. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Here, life is compared to a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. If we do not work smartly, we cannot get anything. So, we should work hard with smart goals. Success is a walk in the dark. Success means walking in a dark. Finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills, and getting to the next place all depends on how we approach and tackle the problem. Tackle means make determined efforts to deal with. The success depends upon how we face and handle the problems and difficulties while finding the right foot or path, mastering the necessary skills, and getting to the next place. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. To reach our goal, the best way is we should walk or step forward in right direction to get from where we are and to where we want to be. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. Then, next step should be supportive without any hesitation. So, students, our goals should be smart to achieve great success in our life. Without smart goals, we cannot reach to our destination. So, work hard but smartly. Be smart.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.